Good evening. Tonight our video is going to be on polygons. So, what is a polygon? A polygon is a flat shape formed by line segments that closes in an area. Well, let's look at some examples. These are some examples of polygons. Starting on the left, we have a triangle, a trapezoid, a square, a pentagon, and a hexagon. Please pause the video and copy those down. Welcome back. Here are some examples that are not polygons. Notice the first one on the left, we have a G. This is not a polygon because it is not closed. It is open-ended. The one in the middle is not a polygon because we have the curved sides. And finally, the cube on the right is not a polygon because that is an image of a three-dimensional object. Pause the video and write these non-examples of polygons. Welcome back. Here are some common polygons. We have triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, heptagons, octagons, decagons, and dodecagons. Pause the video and copy this graphic. Welcome back. We have some terms that we need to learn that we use with polygons. The first one is congruent. And congruent means same shape, same size. Pause the video and copy that down. Welcome back. So let's take a triangle. If we were to turn this triangle on its side, we would still have the same shape and same size, but they look different because they're turned and we have rotated them. Another term that we have that we use with polygons a lot is similar. And similar means same shape but different sizes. For example, our two hexagons here, one is much smaller than the other, but they are the same shape. Please pause the video and make sure you have the definition of congruent and similar and both of those examples. I want you to notice that my example of my similar, I made sure that it is definitely, they are two very definite different sizes. That is key when you have to draw these on your own. Okay, I would like you to practice with some of these. Here are some problems I would like you to do. Pause the video and answer these 8 questions. Welcome back. Here are the answers to those problems. And the ones that say sample, that means that they could look a little different. When in doubt, you can ask me in class tomorrow. Now, I also want us to do a little bit of review. So, welcome back. We're going to do a review. So I'd like you to take a spot in your notebook on the next page to do these review problems. First off, I would like you to do the factors of 60 and 20. Pause the video and do the factors of 60 and 20. Welcome back. You should have these answers for your factors of 60 and 20. Mark any of them that you have incorrect or you've missed with a different color so that you knew you didn't get those the first time that you did it. Now, one of the skills that we have struggled with is after we have our two factors factored, which numbers do we have in common? So pause the video and figure out which of the factors that both 60 and 20 have in common. Welcome back. You should have had 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Notice we write them from least to greatest. The next type of problem that we have struggled with is 62. An example would be 62 times 300. This was the lesson where we learned about multiplying by multiples of 10 and 100. Now, the easiest way to do this is to break 300 down into two smaller parts, or factors of each other. 62 times 3 times 100. The 3 times 100 equals the 300. Now the next step that we need to take is we take 62 times 3, and then we take the answer times 100. So let's look. 62 times 3 equals 186. Now we need to take that times 100. And as you probably remember from 4th grade, that's just adding the two zeros at the end of 100 to the 186. And that gives us an answer of 18,600. Now I want you to pause the video and copy this problem down. Welcome back. Now I'd like you to work this next problem, 28 times 400, all on your own. Pause the video. Welcome back. Please check your answer. You should have broken 400 down into 4 and 100, and then taken 28 times 4 and got 112, and take that times 100 to give you 11,200. Please write any questions you have about either the review problems or the lesson problems in your notebook and share with me tomorrow when we get to class. Don't forget to do your 3-2-1 sheets. Thanks. Have a good night.